A neuron is also known as a nerve cell. It is the basic structural and functional unit of the nervous system. Neurons help our body to send and receive messages. Because of neurons, we are able to think, feel pain, move our muscles, and react to our surroundings. Each neuron has three main parts: the cell body, dendrites, and axon. The cell body is the main part of the neuron. It contains the nucleus, which controls all the activities of the cell. The cytoplasm is also present inside the cell body and helps in carrying out different life processes of the neuron. Dendrites are short, thin, branch-like structures that come out from the cell body. Their main function is to receive messages from other neurons or from sense organs. These messages are then passed to the cell body for further action. The axon is a long, tube-like structure that carries messages away from the cell body. It helps in transmitting nerve impulses from one place to another. In some neurons, the axon is covered with a protective layer, which helps in faster transmission of messages. At the end of the axon, there are terminal ends. These terminal ends pass the message to another neuron, muscle, or gland. In this way, neurons form a network and work together to control and coordinate all activities of the body.